which one was history yako is going to determine where you go.
Yeah.
So this is on more.
Yay. Yay.
This is on more.
Jonga samosha nangu.
Yeah, then.
Moshe lukhulu kule weekend.
Is it? Yo.
My
Yeah, that's get to Moshina High School. There has been Moshina, and there has been Moshina. So this weekend, what are you up to this weekend?
Yo.
The weekend was lit. The weekend was lit, né?
Yo.
Yeah, it was on fire, right? Yeah. So where was it happening?
Hey.
Hey. Disclose the location so that not you next weekend. Where was it happening?
Friday.
Wow, Friday. Oh, that Friday. Yeah.
Good Friday.
Zatumba.
Zituma.
Then gave enough.
Kiro Mzini.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the places where Kiro.
Bingo.
Bingo. Hey.
Nemamako.
Hi. So you traveled as well during the weekend.
Yeah.
Where is it happening in Mama? Was it a house party?
A house party.
Oh, it's keep. Let's keep. You wouldn't travel so far than when you're like, gee. Comes like a hectic moments, man. Yeah. What is it? That one hectic moment. Yeah, okay. We can hide the names. Nobody ends up. Okay, let's just. But just a moment. Who's again doing the book? Oh, yeah,
Yo. Amelaka.
yeah.
And it must need the glay of her. Saya kinyan pa yung mama ko.
Yeah.
August nil. So sasa August ngalelang. Sihleli siyakhipha.
Yeah.
No basizokhipha ko 12 no around 11.
Yeah.
Sakhipha. Masivuka ngo1 ixesha ngo1 hayi ke so mna ndiyaphambana guys. Funeke sihambeni apha.
Yeah.
Kusemini.
We're not supposed to be here.
Yeah. Yo, hayi ke nyani ke silungise
Kanye uhamba nawe
uhamba nami ne-friend yethu.
Ukuthini ukhanye yena xa upha abantu?
Hayi kaloku naye hamba sihambeni mntazi. Hey, sithi sihamba ke lo mfana. Okay, asinamali kahle abakuthi but sizicela uba sizahamba siyohayika noba sifike njani eGcuwa.
You're gonna be safe.
Yeah.
That's what you're sure about.
Sithi sesiphuma le guy ke ngoku Susumos ogesela naye athi ba masize uzasigodusa sesiphumile ngapha ngegate.
Unayo i-transport exact?
Unayo cha ayomoto yakhe le lapha eyadini ye-friend.
Okay.
i-BM.
Oh.
Nyani ke sikhwele kule moto. Hey, ndibe sendidikiwe ke ngoku mna lo mfana only to find out mfana akakwazi uyidrayiva le BM.
Hey!
Sihleli 30 minutes yonke emotweni azinqobe i-safety belt abina ikhulule Jonga.
Yeah.
Umntu wemoto le.
Yeah.
Yena usese next door xa babekho umsebenzi so washiya pha no guys man ndisayapha mna. Hey, umfana sana akakwazi uyiqhuba imoto.
Yaphela 30 minutes
yaphela. Ikwandim nokuthi guys masiphumeni. Wavula intwenete ibonnet phaki ntontoni.
Yeah.
Ibonnet kukho igani pha.
Hey.
Khanyisile wathi sawuthetha le gani.
Hey, basigodusa.
Ayithatha igani wathi kwaba yasifuna sayivuma neGcuwa. Athatha igani athatha i-CD.
Yeah.
Kanti sesiphumile apha emotweni ndithi mntazi khayishiye mani igani.
Hey, ngathi nkulu.
Too much yabo. Yayibo. So wathi ndifuna kaloku bayazi uba njebe ngazigodusi nje besiqhela kakubi nathi sifuna ubabamba ngento.
Velele poolside ke bafana ba di gumgelele elalo sansi welele wana o batla sibu